this? Ain't this amazing? What do you think? Wow. 360 degrees. Munich. All over. Woo. I'm amazed. I am amazed. Look. Just have a look. This is amazing. Oh my god. 360 panorama. 360 degrees panorama. Wow. Amazing. How amazing is this? Whew. I have some height. Oh my god, my heart just starts beating. Look at this. Panorama. 360 degrees. All over me. My goodness. Wow, I just wanted to show you guys, and maybe you can tell me if you love this, because I'm in love. I'm so much in love with this. Oh my god, every time I'm close to these places, my heart just beating. Whew. I have some height phobia, especially when I am all alone. Oh my god, is this cool? And my hand is shaking. Shaking. Look at this. Is this not nice? I love it. I love. Oh my god.